Hey, hi, Melissa here. How are you doing today? I have a back to school kit for you. Yeah, it is oils. Did you have an idea? Yeah, it is our wellness support and so much support. Support for our emotions, focus and clarity, fitness, for sleep, for tummy troubles, for neck and shoulder strain from all the online stuff. So, this kit, let me just tell you about it. It's called the Premium Starter Kit from Young Living, and I have a deal for you this month if you want to get started. If your friend is showing you this, then talk to them and they will help you get started. So, let me tell you about this. This kit costs only $165. It comes with a beautiful diffuser that lasts for up to 10 hours. Hey, this kit is usually retails at $415. So it is a steal. 12 oils to support all these needs. So let's talk about this. Wellness is a big deal, right? So Thieves Essential Oil is the wellness immunity oil. Yeah. And also you get peppermint, helps with wellness, and lemon and citrus fresh. They all help with wellness, and even frankincense. So 5 wellness oils you get in this kit. Okay, let's talk about we need emotional support. It's a new type of learning year, right? We might be sad, anxious, maybe excited or too excited, right? So there are oils for all these emotions. And parents, I know I'm feeling a little bit stressed. How am I gonna manage my job, my kid, helping my kids, and everything else? So Stress Away is a wonderful emotional oil. Peace and calming, it just does that, and it smells heavenly. Lavender and frankincense, great for emotions. Oh, my favorite, Valor, courage to do work and the unknown, and help with sleep. And even citrus fresh boosts your mood. So you have 6 oils here, maybe even lemon too, 7 that support your emotions. And some of these do almost everything in your life, like frankincense. Okay, so a lot of us need sleep support because that means good immune system, alertness. Everything is tied to sleep, right? So I got like 4 or 5 sleep oils for you. Again, peace and calming, stress away, and mixing these up with lavender is excellent. Frankincense and Valor. Oh, my kids love citrus fresh and lavender. So that's 5 or 6 essential oils in this one kit just for sleep. Okay, sometimes we get nervous and it happens in our gut and have tummy trouble. Who wants that when we're trying to learn? Digest is a miracle one. This works so fast. I just put a drop on my tummy and rub it, and it's like almost immediate relief. Another one is peppermint. Peppermint essential oil I love for so many reasons. I can't find my peppermint, but peppermint definitely helps with tummy troubles, head, and energy. So let's talk about, we need to sleep, but we need to stay active because we can't just be sitting in front of the computer all day. So peppermint peps you up. It also helps with focus and clarity of mind. I love blending it with lemon or citrus fresh. There's my peppermint. Those. So let's talk more about clarity and alertness. Did you know that lavender, just inhaling that, maybe like during recess time, can increase, or break time, can increase concentration when back to the classroom? Frankincense is amazing for concentration. I like to put a drop on top of my head. Lemon and citrus fresh give clarity, and peppermint energy and alertness. Now, Thieves essential oil, even though that's for immune support, those hot oils like cinnamon and clove in there really alert you. I haven't talked about this gem in here, Raven. This blend is peppermint, wintergreen, eucalyptus. It opens up your airways and definitely helps you have clarity. So one last thing for clarity and remembering things, that's citrus fresh. Diffuse this during your child's study time. Put it on the wrists, help remember things like for tests too. Whoa, can you believe all these things in this one starter kit? It is definitely your back to school bundle. One last thing is though, I've already noticed being on the computer, my neck and back hurt and shoulders so bad. This happened also to my daughter. So we applied PanAway. This helps take away all aches and pains and muscle strains, and it smells so good. wintergreen, peppermint in there, and some other oils. I like to even mix this with peppermint. And finally, finally, Valor. Valor is like chiropractor in a bottle. It adjusts your spine. Put that on and it smells amazing. I wear this as perfume. You need to stay active, and so keep your muscles moving. That helps your brain too. So I put Raven on my chest to open up my airways when I work out. And then when I'm sore, I put on PanAway, and peppermint really peps me up to get active. All right, so can you believe all of that is in a starter kit? That helps your wellness, your emotions, your focus, mental clarity, alertness, sleep, tummy troubles, your pains from your neck and shoulder on technology, and your activity levels. Plus, you get some freebies in this. You get a sanitizing spray, my favorite soothing peppermint scented sanitizer, and you get 2 samples of this Ningxia Red antioxidant drink, energy, wellness, and eye support. So contact me or the person who showed you this video, and we will help you get this back to school kit so you can have a great school year, even though it's super different this year.